Hello, You Are Epic brings to you Magical Mondays. You Are Epic is a platform for self transformation for those aspiring to find a hidden potential in them and lead a more meaningful life. Magical Monday is a gentle nudge towards a better you because you are epic. Without water, a ship cannot move. The ship needs water, but if the water gets into the ship might sink. What was once the means of living is now the means of destruction. Take a moment and reflect. Has the water entered my ship? A human life requires money as a resource to fulfill our daily requirements of food, clothing, and shelter. During our journey for striving for these three basic needs of our life, we forget the purpose of earning this resource and get into the cycle of greed for more and more. The resource called money, which was once a means for our living, is now drowning our ability to see beyond that. And we are only running after earning this resource more and more, thus leading us to the destruction of our values and relations. In our journey to be richer than our neighbors, have more physical resources than our peers, we have failed to see that the water has entered our ship. Take a moment and reflect that having a bigger car or a better home, can it give you everlasting happiness? Or is having fatter bank balance going to make you a better person? We start looking down upon our fellow human beings. We start feeling the power of money and using that power to do as we wish. And we suddenly gain a sense of superiority. The water has definitely entered our ship. What was once a mere resource to keep us living is now overpowering our basic nature of happiness, love, and being in relation with others. Hello, this is Dr. Urvashi Yashroy, your transformational coach on You Are Epic. Keep these balances in mind to keep afloat. Reconnect with the inner you and never let it forget that money is just a resource and not the only source to survival. You can consume only as much as your requirement, and any greed or excess leads to depletion of the power of abundance each one of us possesses. Finally, eternal happiness lies in sharing and not in possessing. Keep your ship afloat in the weeks ahead with this magical Monday inspiration and never let the water enter your ship. For such motivational thoughts, log into You Are Epic 11 on our Insta handle or connect with us for one-to-one chat. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share our link because let's make you an epic.